Well, YouTube, I'm back. I just had 2 root canals done, so pardon my really weird sounding voice. The whole right side of my mouth is numb. I had a tooth up front done. The one tooth that had a hole in it got fixed, and the broken tooth got root canaled. So, yay. He said on my right, the lower right tooth might be still, the area might still be a little tender because it seems like the inflammation kind of moved down into the bone. So I'm expecting some discomfort out of that still. Oh, I'm like out of it, guys. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm gonna go over the hill or go around the hill or what I'm doing. It's still really nice outside. It is not hot out here at all. It's probably like 11 o'clock or something by now. Oh. I don't know where I want to go. I guess I'm going to go over the hill because I'm headed that way. That would suck if I get all this work done and then someone kills me on the hill. Like, really? Anyways. That's a depressing way to look at things. It's always weird how you get numbed up when your shit feels swollen, but you're not swollen, you're just numb. Oh my god. Oh my god. My mouth is so big. I'm never going to figure like, why do I have all this traffic right now? I want to go home and go to sleep. I'm so tired. I'm talking funny because my mouth is numb. Actually, I'm over exaggerating and adding a little bit more weirdness to my mouth voice sounds. Ooh. Oh my god, guys, I'm so tired. I had like 2 hours of sleep because of my tooth hurting. So I'm like so loopy right now, and half my face is numb. I'm loopy in the numb. It's so weird. I'm half a numbskull. I got out of the dentist office and I looked down at my tire and it looked like a sticker was sticking out of my tire, and I'm like, no. But it was just some little bit of road debris. It came right out. I was like, oh, thank God. Oh my God. I was going to go around the hill, but I'm like, you know what? I'm tired. I just want to get home. Screw it. Screw it, guys. I'm going home. Oh my God, I'm so glad that's over. But I got to get another root canal on the 12th. And apparently I did get approved for all my crowns. I don't know why Denical was sending me shit saying I didn't get approved, and they're saying I got approved for all 3 of my crowns too. All 3 root canals, all 3 crowns. Porcelain crowns too. I'm not getting that metal shit. I'm not gonna look like a rapper with 1 metal tooth up front. No, it's the I'm getting porcelain, baby. I'm getting toilet material. Yeah, it's just odd to think about. I'm getting the same stuff that you sit on when I take a crap in my mouth. Unless, of course, you're in prison and you get metal toilets to sit on. Seen those in documentaries. Those look fun. And when it's cold outside, it's like, damn, dude, this seat's freezing. My ass is frozen to this metal seat. This isn't good. I'm not breaking the law anymore because I don't want to sit on a metal toilet ever again. Ah, shit. Oh my god, I'm so weird. I got people coming. I don't want to get run over. Oh shit. Oh my god. I'm so tired, guys. Sad thing is I'm gonna fall asleep and I'm gonna wake up in excruciating pain later. Be like, damn it. Like, oh my god. This hurts so bad. Hopefully I'm not in a lot of pain. Alright, cool. We're home. We're home, James. Get me out of this car. I'm not even going to look at the mileage. Because what's the point? I know it's 1.6 miles from there to here. And here to there. Well, except for earlier I went around. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm gonna keep saying it because I'm so tired. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I'm done with activity for the day. I'm not doing any more back rides because I'm really tired, and I'm sure my mouth is going to be really sore when this numbing shit wears off. Oh my god, I almost scraped my pedal along the side of Mom's car. That would have been really bad. Really bad. I'm like, oh, Dave did it. Just kidding. I don't blame my mistakes on other people. Shit. Oh, wow, stuff's falling out of here. That's great. Why is all this shit falling out of here? Stop it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I said it again, I'm so tired. What the hell was that stuck on? I'm kind of hungry too, but I'm not going to exactly be able to eat anything right now. They were root canals though, so they put temporary fillings in them, so I don't have to worry about eating soup at least. There's no crunchy stuff or gum, just stick to the soup. Stick to the soup. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. See, it wouldn't be so bad going to the dentist on my bike, but it's the summer, man. It's going to be way too damn hot for me to be going to appointments on my bike. Even in the morning around here. Anyway, so I'm going to do my quick outro where I say, remember to have a wonderful whatever wherever you are. And I'll see you in my next e-bike video. Okay, bye.